Okay, what is up, guys? Please don't mind this. I've got these Xboxes which are giving me trouble, refusing to load OS. Yep, they are refusing heater. So it's 3 consoles actually. All of them are Xbox One S. And they all work. I mean, the 2 of them came in with on, but 2 of them came in dead, and then 1 of them came in as on, but no display. Anyways, I managed to fix all of them. Now they work, the display, but they don't. They keep giving me trouble when I get to this point. So yeah, I'm stuck here with all 3 of them. So this one, when you say load into the, when you say do offline install, it's giving me an error. Error 101. I think that's better drive. But the same drive, you put it in another console, it will load. But when it gets to verifying, it doesn't verify. Reason being the DVD room, I believe. Yeah. Then I've got a 3rd one which does exactly the same as this one. So, anyways, that's not the reason why we're here. We are here because of this guy. We want to build a PC. Okay, so as I was saying, we want to build a PC. So while we are doing that, I will try a different hard drive on this console, just in case it is indeed a hard drive. Anyways, we've got this. I don't know who moved this out of place. Anyways, it's a new motherboard, but no pin is broken or anything. It's a brand new motherboard. It's an ASUS H610M-R D4. Yeah, it's a nice motherboard, brand new, never been used before. It's got 2 DDR4 RAM slots, 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA ports, front USB 3.0, front panel, speaker, TPM. Yeah, basically all the I/O that we are used to. PCIe over there, it's PCIe X16 Gen 4 and PCIe X1 Gen 3. Yeah, and the CPU slot, it's LGA 1700. I'm not so sure which processors I can support there. So it came with an artwork code, also new, yeah, from the shop. So this is an Intel Pentium code G7400 LGA 1700. Okay, so let's see. It also comes with these 2 Kingston 8GB memory. Yeah, here's the other one. This one is Transcend actually. The other one is Kingston, and this one is Transcend. And then that's the IO shield. So that's just the CPU cover falling down. Let's see. So the casing is it's called a Neox alligator. Neox alligator. So yeah, that's the casing that I used today. believe this phone is gonna go flat anytime soon. So I'm gonna plug it into the charger now. Oh, and I have to go down under the test. Okay, let's hope I'm not gonna trip on this cable or anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the offline install again. You'll see, immediately it's just gonna give you something went wrong. It's on 0%. The moment it says 1%, or sometimes it doesn't even say 1%, just gives something went wrong. And boom, that's it. Anyways, I don't know what's wrong with it. Still gonna figure that out. So the motherboard looks like a perfect fit. So the casing as well, it's new. Never been used before, so I literally had to put those screws into the casing to hold the motherboard in place. You know, it's pretty late now and there's people outside, so I'm kind of concerned. Anyways, I'm gonna place the processor onto the motherboard here. So the processor comes with its own cooling fan as well. So here's the cooling fan. New also. So you can see it still has got some thermal paste over there, never been used. This should be interesting enough. And here is the processor. So that's our Intel Pentium Gold over there, G7400. So I'm gonna, there we go. Something went wrong. So I'm gonna place this. Oh, this is nice. And it's new and no one has ever done anything to it. It's always nice. Which way is this? This other way around. There we go. So that's the CPU in place. I'm gonna lock it in now. Okay, let me clear some thermal paste. So I won't lie, with this hard drive, it took a little bit of time before it actually said error. So here's the thermal test. I'm gonna apply this DRG102, some Chinese stuff. I'm not so sure how good it is, but it's the one that we use here, and we have never had issues with anyone saying their device has stopped working or it's overheating. So yeah. Okay, we are back to normal with this. Keep getting an error. So I'm trying to see if I can put it in and fold the cable, how far it will go. So then I'll put it in like this, and then it will come in like this. And then we can always fold the cable. So I've just wiped them up. Oh, them up just from that CPU. Not the CPU, but the CPU cooler, the heatsink. So it's never been used, but it comes with that. It has never been used, but it comes with that thermal paste from factory. So I'm just gonna wipe it extra clean. You can see how shiny and reflective it is now. Yep, that's a good heatsink. I'm joking, I don't know how good it is. There's other companies that make heat sinks for a living. Okay, I don't know why that thermal paste has become liquid there. Like here in front, instead of thermal paste, I'm getting water. I'm not sure if I should be getting that, so I'll wipe that off. And then hope this time I'll get that thick thermal paste. There we go. So after that we will place the heatsink over. Yeah, I've seen a lot of times people putting a lot of thermal paste on the CPU as if it eats thermal paste. Nope, you don't need too much because it's gonna spread anyways. So as you can see there, I'm gonna take it off there. It has spread. So you don't need to actually put it all over the motherboard. That's why you get to see like you get to see thermal paste protruding to the sides. Okay, I don't know what kind of a lock that is. It didn't come with any screwdrivers. Nope, it didn't. Can I twist it with my hand? Yeah. Not. Oh, I just have to push it down. And there we go. The heatsink is firmly in place. So that has been inserted. Let's go over and place the cable there. So I don't know how wise it is to, oh no, it's fine because there's actually plastics all over around. So the cable is not on the heatsink along the plastic. So we'll go ahead and place the memory modules now. Get this one open. Comes with a paper. Says dim. Says step number 1, disconnect from the power. Step number 2, place it in. Number 3, press it down. Make sure it's locked. Place battery power. Limited life warranty summary. Warranty is limited to defective product replacement or refund of the current value, limited to price paid to the extent permitted by law and is not transferable. Full warranty at Kingston. Yeah, that's all there is about it. No English, step by step of how to install. So that's an 8 gig which we are going to place right over there. So nowadays these slots, they don't clip both sides. You only have to clip one side, and the other side you actually have to it's already locked over there. You just have to make sure it goes into the groove, and then you press it down, and when you're letting it out, you just let out one side like that, and then you pull it up. There you go. So when you're placing it, it's one side, and then you press it down. Just like that. Oh, where is the IO shield? Here is the IO shield. We're gonna rip it open. Okay. So the motherboard does have VGA, DP, no, it's called VGA, DVI, and HDMI. So we should be good to connect this to almost anything. Okay, there we go. Place the IO shield right over there on the inside. So this is how it looks now, which is fine to me. Is to place the motherboard now. So yeah, unfortunately there's no graphic card for this now. It's not available now. Let me see if these screws are gonna work. They seem to be too light. Let me see if I can get some screws. Okay, I've got some screws here with me for the motherboard, but I believe it's supposed to come with screws from within the package itself. It should have a packet of screws. This one is just got that string. I think it's for tying the IO shield or something. Anchor. Where does it anchor? I don't know. So the motherboard does take an M.2, which is what we're gonna put into it. So this does not come with any screws. It's just for some warranty and user guide with a CD. When last did you see this? Wow, it was beautiful. Intel processor. I believe this is supposed to be in there, but it's in here for some reason. Okay, I'll use the screws that I came with. I need to change the bit. This is too small. It's not gripping the screws. So for those that have worked in these consoles a lot, I would appreciate your thoughts and ideas on this issue. Also, I've been noticing a lot of comments lately. Not like I've been noticing them and ignoring them. I actually took time to just go through the comments on the YouTube channel. So I've noticed like I haven't replied to a lot of comments. So yeah, I'm gonna start attending to those. You can't leave people hanging. It's just rude. So we've got the motherboard firmly secured to the casing over there. Okay. One fan for the rear over here. I don't know why book cover with ducting. Yeah, the connector is just covered with ducting. I don't know why. So one of the guys commented about a recent situation with a customer that claims device is not theirs after it's been taken to several repair shops. Yeah, I've got everything there. I just need a power supply. Unfortunately, the power supply is not new. It's not a new power supply, but it should do. It's a 500 watt power supply. No name. It's just power man. Power man. I mean, that's a convincing name. That is a convincing name. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it with 2 screws. So the guy commented to say, it would probably be wiser if we could find a way to check port numbers and serial numbers when you are taking in items in order to avoid the recent situation if a customer saying item is not theirs. Well, I don't know. It is a good idea. I mean, that's what we actually have to do. But then we still just end up coming to the same issue. Customer will say, they will simply say the serial number is not the one that they got. Because now you have to understand, like, it's not a case of saying every laptop that comes in has got the same serial number as the casing. You get people that have got their motherboards changed before, and then they still have to come for repair. So, yeah, the serial number is definitely going to be different in that case. Okay, so what I did is I pulled the ATX cable from front via the back, and then I let it go around and around. So here's the CPU cable. It's long, so I'm also going to let it go through like this, and then have it pop up over here. So these cables are not too long, but they're just long. I think I need to lift the power supply a little so that the CPU CPU cable connector can fit there. Okay, it's not working, so I have to literally unscrew it completely. Just have to pull the cable through, and then the power supply will be in place. Just like that. So the reason why I took out the covers, other than having to have enough space and room for me to work, I also avoid scratching the covers. And it allows me to have access to the bed so that I can let the cables run at the back instead of in front. Okay, so here's the cable, it's plugged in. I think at this point I can test this thing if it's working. It's got everything it needs. It's got a power supply, a RAM, and a processor. So it should display. Let me get the cable for you. Okay. Okay, got the power cable. Okay, I should get my cable here. So this is how new this thing is. It's new to the extent that it's never been tested before. So now I just need to short the power. Which one is power? Should be this two. Okay, got fan spin on the power supply over there. Let's see if it's gonna display because you don't see them for now. This will be interesting. Why is it taking so long to display? How interesting is this? You just don't have any display. I don't think it's a case of saying this thing needs to have a graphic card to display. No. Okay, there's a CMOS battery plug in there. I don't know why. So I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I'm gonna let it drain. I'm gonna let it drain for a few minutes. Seconds, I'll try. Okay. Power is back here. Let's go. Perhaps we should swap the RAM to the first slot or try a different RAM. Let's transcend one. Okay, got the guideline says we should do this and then pull it out gently like this. Here we go. We still don't have any display. Sorry about that. It flew just last week and it's still lingering about. So it's an 8 gig at 3200 megahertz, I believe. Okay. So I'm gonna slot out the Kingston and put the trans in. Okay, we are running now. How disappointing is that? Oh, there's something. ASUS in search of incredible. Huh. Intel Pentium board. Speed is at 3.7 gigahertz. This is not bad. I don't know how. BIOS is a 2022 American Megatrends. US Prime or BIOS revision 2014. Now I don't know what that means. was the motherboard designed in 2014, or they are using same BIOS which they used on another motherboard in 2014. I have to search a lot of bit about that. Anyways, we've got some display. So what I did is I put a new RAM in the slot which I didn't use the last time. So now I'm gonna try to put the Kingston in the same slot that it was in. Here's the one close to the processor. And see if I can get it displayed. Okay. You see if we will get the 16 gigs that the customer wants. Okay, I'm gonna put the SSD for now. Yep, we do have a display now, and it's now at 1600 megabytes, 16,384 megabytes. So that's a 16 gig now. So I would say that's a success. We can put the CMOS in now, so that we avoid having to wait every time the damn thing starts. So this is a 500 gig. It's a 500 gig. What kind is this? Western Digital, please. Yeah. So I can see I forgot to put a scroll down there for the input too. So for now, I just need something to hold the whole thing in place. I was able to use a place a screwdriver like this. It's way to keep the thing down. And that was the screwdriver I was using to switch on. Okay, there we go. So it's on again. So it's going to delay because I put the CMOS battery a little bit there. Okay, this is in search of incredible Western Digital. Yeah, so it's detected the SSD. Let me put the mouse and the keyboard. Keep forgetting stuff. Can function without a mouse. Keyboard is enough. F1 to run setup. Let's see what's in the setup. Ooh. This is fancy, but I think this is old. The date says 1 January 2021. Probably that's when it was designed. So 16 gigs of RAM, Kingston, and the Transcend NVMe, Western Digital. Yeah, let's see. Windows Boot Manager M.2, so should be able to function from this. And someone can see temperature. The temperature for the processor is at 29 degrees for the CPU and 27 degrees for the motherboard. This is okay. It's cooling down perfectly fine. So So I will have, well, I'm saying perfectly fine because we're just using a fan. It's not water cooled or anything like that. So I'm gonna exit now. Change this exit to open here. Okay. I have to use F10 on this. Let's see now. So this type of casing does not allow you to put a CD-ROM so that you can be able to play this. So work with what's available. And it also doesn't have any spot for me to place hard drives. Yeah, doesn't have any cages at all. Probably have to figure that out on my own. Preparing automatic repair, yeah. This SSD was in another PC, so I don't know if it's gonna start. But anyways, I'm gonna close the back panel. First I have to connect the front. That is the USB and the audio, I believe. Yeah, this is the audio and that's the USB. And then the buttons themselves. Restart. Let's see if the Windows is gonna work. And then after that, that's all. I would have to close the casing. Let me see if I can get the cars. Okay, I think the device is ready. 52%, 93, that's nice. Okay, there we go. It's got a password and stuff. There is no name, that's what I use, so I don't mind opening it like that. Anyways, let me close the side panel and then we can be able to end the video shut down. So this is good enough. Good. So I'm just gonna close the side panel and then end the video because I'll still have to restart again and put that screw. I won't actually have to restart the whole process again. I can always put a screw from the back this side. Okay. Only way in is via the avoid breaking the mesh channel, potterings and the set of cables. It's also safer that way. So my front, this casing does not have that type of a connector. I have no idea how we tell it. That one. So it's just got the old ones, the ones that we the other space too. So that's the audio and it goes down about there. Here's my lighting. Why is it so bad? Okay, that's the audio in. Now I just need to have the USB in. So now that's been sorted out. Try to slide your cable under. However I can slide it under. And get it out of sight. So now reduce So since we're not using any SATA drives, we're gonna fold this. I think we can fold it and hold it back because the casing is for the amp value. Pull it back. Just use the M.2 because the customer requested it. So I just need to get some cable ties to the back there and tidy that up. A new packet enough, I think. Both of the sides should be enough to pull everyone in place. Cool. Still need to connect the front buttons. So let's power switch. You know, after some time, you just get to know this automatically. I saw one meme on Facebook where there's like the devil crying, let me create something, and then God was like, it's fine, do it, and the devil created this, the power buttons, and this whatever they're called, front panel buttons. It's always the power LEDs that makes you struggle. Because nowadays you usually find them done in tools like that. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now I can. I think there's a need for me to double tie this and do it just for a second. It's fine the way it is. It's not long enough for me to worry about it. Okay, these, we're gonna put them back there. We'll give them the customer, whoever is going to buy this, we'll give them the box for the motherboard, the box for the CPU, the boxes for the RAMs, as well as the SATA cables. It came with 3 of them, so that they can always sell it, if they decide to sell it, did I make it too big? No, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Just gives you the notion that it's too big, but then it's fine. Just cut the cable. Cut the cord. Okay. Should do. All we need now is the screws. Screws here on that side. Okay. So here's the two back panel screws. I'm actually pressing it very low. Okay, there we go. That's the front, side, back, and so this side has got a glass panel to it. I don't know where it is, probably somewhere at the back. But I'll put this once the customer is confirmed that there is nothing else that will be tweaking on this, and you're confident to close it. Power it on now. You can see. Can I just say this cable comes back? It's annoying trying to. I still have to put enough screws for the power supply there. Okay, minute of truth. And the power button doesn't work. Law. Okay. The power switch doesn't function. I just took out the M.2 there because I don't want it to fall off. It's got no screws in it. Yeah, I don't know whether the power switch for this casing doesn't function or what. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver once again. Yep, it's been confirmed. The power switch doesn't work. So we'll have to explain that to the customer and oh, the cables are out. The cables are actually out for the power switch. So there they are. We have to solder them back and then close this entire thing and give it back to the customer. So I hope you guys learned something, although there wasn't much to learn about from this. I hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you in another video. I'll try to work on something now, an actual repair, which is those consoles over there. Yeah, as you can see, it's a mess here. I've got that console right over there. I've got a console over there, and that console which is just under the boxes. Then I still have got some repairs and more at the back. So I will see you guys soon, and I'll be posting quite a lot. I'll see what I can post. As you can see, my desk is busy there with some other repairs and food. So I'll be busy and I'll keep you guys posted. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in another clip. It's goodbye for now. Cheers.